Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to delete your Outlook history. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything new posted by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, go ahead and open your preferred browser on your PC, and on the search box of this browser, go ahead and type outlook.com. Once you've done that, make sure you're logged into your Outlook account. Now, in this interface, you should be able to see a gear icon on top in the navigation bar. Go ahead and tap on it. This will redirect you to the settings on Outlook. Go ahead and select General Settings. Under General Settings, head on over to Privacy and Data. Under Privacy and Data, you'll be able to see the option of Delete Search History. Go ahead and click on it. If you click on Continue, your search history will be permanently deleted. So go ahead and click on Continue. And once you've done that, your search history on Outlook will be permanently deleted. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.